How to recover deleted comments on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to your Facebook application, make sure that you're logged into your account, then tap on the profile and then on the gear icon. Then tap on see more in account center. Then scroll down and tap on your information and permissions. Now tap on download your information. Tap on download or transfer information. Choose the profile and then tap on the available information. Tap on next. So here you can select the date range as well. If you want from the last month, tap on save, then tap on create files. After that, your information has been sent and your request has been sent. All you have to do is wait until the Facebook team will respond to you with the information. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.